Welcome back, artists. It's Art at Home with Mrs. Porch, and I have Maggie and Eli with me today. Today is an exciting day. We're going to draw the Mustang, or horse or pony, if you will. So all you need is a white piece of paper. We're going to go horizontal this time instead of vertical, and we're going to start with the horse's back. There's two ways that you can go about doing this. You can grid out your paper, and I do that by drawing lines to make 4 quadrants, but this time I'm going to make a few more than 4. I'm going to draw and make 16 quadrants. So in my 16 quadrants, I know how to draw my horse. So I'm going to start with the horse's back because we want to make sure he has a nice strong back. So that goes from all the way up here at the top of the page, in the middle of box 4, all the way down here. And it's gonna curve like a spaghetti noodle. So we go up, in, and over. Okay, now everybody try with me. Start here, up, in, and over. That's just the back, the spine of the horse, okay? That's just the back, it's the spine of the horse. Okay, now from there we kind of need to put the head or the snout of our horse in. Okay, so that's going to look more like the letter U coming off of the spine. So we'll get it up here, and we'll go down, and then we want to go square across, and then up, and then in, okay? So you're starting here, you go down, up and in, okay? Let me slide that over so you can see a little bit, okay? Okay, and now the next step, we want to make the neck of the horse. So we want to go down here, and then we want to curve so we have a leg starting to form there. And nothing has to be perfect yet, right? Okay, so we have the start of our front leg. So now what we're going to do is we're going to finish that front leg in the next step, and then we'll put a back leg on. So finish the front one first. So with the horse's leg, we want it to come out to a point, and we want to have this leg go really straight in like that, and then have it come down almost at a straight angle here, and then give him a hoof he's going to be running on, okay? He's a cartoon Mustang. He's for fun, right? So he can be as wobbly as you want him to be. Now we want to give him a back leg and do the same thing. So we'll come down here, kick out the back, because he's going to be running, and then it curves a little bit to give him his hoof, curves back in, and curves up, okay? So far he only has 2 legs, so we want to connect from the 2 legs that we've drawn to give him kind of a body, but then we want to add 2 more legs, so he has 4 legs, because horses should have 4 legs. So we're going to go in, down, give him a hoof, back, and up, okay? And then in the front, this leg can come right from here, and it can be kind of just on an angle. Don't forget the hoof, because that's his running leg there, and up. Now, of course, he doesn't look like a horse because he doesn't have any hair, right? He needs a mane and some ears and some eyes and a mouth. So we're going to add all those details now. So we start with a mouth here. Give him a nose so he can breathe too. I do like the number 9 with like a shading it in for my noses. You can do it however you like. A nice big eye if you want him to have a nice big eye. Okay, give him some hair. Where that dot was here, that's going to be his ears now. Give him 2, okay? Between those ears, give him hair, like I said, a mane. So we give him some mane there. We want the mane. Give him a mane here. Okay, and then he needs a tail. The tail's gonna come off the top here, okay? And then tail. Make his tail however you want. I just like to make noises with it. And now we don't want him flying in the air, so we want to put a horizon line in that he's running on. So that's going to be our green grass. And then behind that, we're gonna put some trees in. So I'm just making them really kind of fluffy and fun trees. And so when I go to color it, I'm gonna use my crayons to color light green, dark green, blue sky, brown horse with black hooves and black hair. You can get more creative than that. So I can't wait to see your Mustang's colors. It's time to color now.
That I